सो लिटरेचर रिपोर्ट्स क्या होते हैं, क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है लिटरेचर रिपोर्ट्स की. सो मेडिकल लिटरेचर इज सिग्निफिकेंट सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर द monitoring of the safety profile of and the risk benefits balance of medicinal products, that is particularly in relation to the detection of new safety signals or emerging safety issues. So EMA, European Medicine Agency, monitors selected medical literature for suspected adverse drug reactions to medicinal products containing certain active substances and enter into in the UDRA vigilance. So you must know about the UDRA vigilance. EMA is sponsor of UDRA vigilance, and all of the data literature related stored in the UDRA vigilance databases. So literature reports में identification criteria में identifiable patient, identifiable reporter, suspected adverse drug reactions, suspected medicinal product, and one more thing that is important for the reporting literature reports. So that is the causality assessment of the particular ICSR. So these are the 5 criteria for reporting literature cases. So literature cases in most probably EMA work on IDRA vigilance. Thank you so much. So review abstract meetings, draft manuscript, qualifying for being ICSR if you have suspected adverse reactions, or if multiple medicinal products I mentioned in the publication, only those which are identified by the publication author as having at least a possible causal relationship between suspected medicinal product and the marketing authorization holders products. So these are the these are the two most of the criteria for reporting literature cases. And what's one more, that is the identifiable patient. So publication author is the primary sources, and searching in most probably used English language. So search should be include like active substances and trade, chemical names, metaboloids, medication error, off-label use, pregnancy, fatal death, fatality, etc. These are the various tasks we prefer for the identifying or reviewing the literature cases. So if abstract does not have enough information, order full articles. So that condition we order full articles for our literature sources. Literature articles do not qualify for being ICSR if other companies, brand name or contrary which have no MH is held. So these are the various criteria for reporting literature related reports.